Part I hardware installation. Part I hardware installation. Introduction. In this lesson, we will install two pieces IR distance sensors on robot car and program the car to follow object movements. The car receives the signal from the IR distance sensors, and then the program will drive the car to take actions. Install the Smart Car Basic Framework as per Smart Car Lesson 1. If you have already completed installation in Lesson 1, just keep it as is. Connect two pieces IR distance sensors modules as follows. Turn on the car, put object about 10 cm ahead of each IR distance sensors. And adjust potentiometer on IR distance sensors to detect object or your hand. When these IR modules detect objects, both the power indicator and signal indicator are on. When no object is detected, only power indicator is on, signal indicator is off. If the signal indicator is always on even though there is no obstacle in front of the sensor, you need to adjust the potentiometer. Part 2 Software Installation. Visit the tutorial Lesson 4 and download mclesson4.zip, unzip the download zip file. Connect Arduino Mega2560 board to PC with USB cable. Open Arduino IDE click File. Click Open. Choose code lesson4.ino in Lesson 4 folder, load the code into Arduino. Final testing. Turn on the car, place your hand ahead of the car, then the car will move towards your hand as if you pull it. It goes forward when both IR obstacle avoidance modules detect your hand. It turns right if only the right IR obstacle avoidance module detects object. It turns left if only the left IR distance sensor detects object. When your hand is over 10 cm ahead, it will stop.